Bago kabalin, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie and welcome to 𝑘𝐮𝐻 Pampanga, where we help businesses promote their products to our 𝑘𝐻 Pampanga community. For today's vlog, another full table courtesy of Antigo Cafe and Bistro. And for our milk tea, this is courtesy of ATG Milk Tea Bar PH. Originally from Intramuros. On our table, if you notice guys, so we have some coffees, as well as milk teas, as well as of course yung mga food natin dito. Let me introduce them to you guys. Ayan, we have a salad, pasta. Ang sarap ng amoy nun guys, grabe. And then we also have some burgers. We have 2 burgers. So this one I believe is a hamburger, and then this one is a chicken burger. So dito naman sa center table natin, we have a lovely box full of goodies. So meron tayong nachos, quesadillas, fries, potato wedges, and also meron tayong different kinds of chicken wings, 4 kinds of flavors. And then of course, hindi mawawala yung dip dyan. So I wanna start with their coffees. They sent us 4. This is Cafe Hermano, Antigo Espresso Frap, and then the other one is a caramel macchiato. Whoa! So probably yung titikman ko guys. But anyway, let me introduce this. This is a Java Monster. Okay, so I'll go with this one. This is the caramel macchiato. Alright. So nga pala, available din yung mga drips nila. Uruburu, we have a humble French, cafecino, and a rustic brown. Alright, so this is it, caramel macchiato. This is so satisfying, so refreshing. Lalo na ngayong panahon na to, no? So medyo summer, mainit. All we ever want is a cold coffee. Wow. So first off, I wanna try yung kanilang quesadillas. So let's dip it. We have 3 different kinds of dips, no? So I believe this is sour cream, this is a cheese, this is a salsa. It's up to you guys kung saan nyo gustong i-dip. Beef quesadillas. Wow. I wanna try yung kanilang chicken. I think I'm gonna go with this red chicken here. It's from the look of it, it's spicy. So meron tayong mga chili flakes dito sa pinaka outer coating niya. So this time I wanna dip it dito sa white sauce naman. Cheers guys. That one's hot. Oh wow, that one's hot. Wow. Aside from the spicy, I love the flavor. Parang meron siyang smoky aftertaste na talagang gusto ko. I wanna try naman yung kanilang pasta. Okay, so I believe this is a pesto pasta. Wow. All the herbs, all the spices, yung oil. Sarap nito guys. Okay, so I wanna move on before I totally finish yung pasta na yun para di tayo kagad mabusog. Anyway, let me move on. So I wanna try this hamburger. From the look of it, it is oozing with some sauce. Sobrang na-appreciate ko pa is gumagamit sila ng dahon ng saging. So in it, the usual, you have bacon. I believe this is a bacon or ham. Cucumber, lettuce, yung sauce. Wow. Yung patty natin dito, it's not dry, it's not over fried. And again, we have some fresh vegetables. Wow, it's oozing with sauce. It's a cheese sauce, I think so. Alright, for the nachos, again, of course, you'll expect it's gonna be overloaded with cheese, yung ground meat natin, and some salsa. In it, it's so flavorful. But then again, you have an option. You can still dip it dito sa cheese nila. So, I wanna taste another coffee. So this one is Amigo. Oh, so this is Amigo Espresso Frap. Oh, wow. I can enjoy this until the rest of the time, guys. Let me introduce naman yung mga ATG milk teas natin. This one is a dark choco. We also have Okinawa. This one is a tiger black sugar. Nutella Mad? Oh, ano to? It's a Nutella. Okay. And then next is an Oreo-based milk tea. So siguro I'm gonna go with the Tiger Black Sugar. For those of you who are interested to try this, you can check out the fan page. We're gonna be flashing on your screens, both for the Antigo and yung ATG natin. Sobrang appreciate namin Antigo and ATG for sending us and being generous with us. Thank you so much, guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. You share it with your friends and stay safe, guys. For more information, yeah, please click on the link that we're gonna be sharing. Speaking of sharing, I'm gonna share this with my family. Until then, stay safe and God bless, guys. Bye.